Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some grape smoothie, so sit back and enjoy. First, to make the smoothie, I'll be detaching the grape from the stem, after which I'll be giving it a quick rinse. So to make this smoothie, I'll be transferring the washed grape into the blender alongside with some apples and banana. Banana will help to add some creaminess to our smoothie. For more nutrients, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of chia seed, and for the liquid base, I'll be using milk, but you can choose to use a plain yogurt or a Greek yogurt, or you can simply just use water if you don't want any dairy products. So just cover the blender and allow it to blend properly. So while that's blend, let's talk about the health benefits of consuming this smoothie. It helps to boost the overall immunity of the body, keep the body hydrated at all times, improve digestion, prevent aging, regulate blood pressure, and also help to relieve constipation. There are other health benefits of consuming this smoothie, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, our grape smoothie is pretty much ready. There are also other smoothie recipes on the channel, so please feel free to check them out after watching this video. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.